Vikas, what if I need the money before my investment goal is reached?
That's an important concern, Sapna. Life is unpredictable, and it's smart to plan for flexibility.
So, will I lose all my money if I withdraw early?
Not at all. Mutual funds are liquid, which means you can redeem your units whenever you need, unless it's a scheme with a lock-in, like an ELSS.
Okay, but are there any penalties?
Some funds may charge an exit load if you withdraw within the given period, and there could be tax implications depending on how long you've stayed invested.
So, I should be careful before withdrawing.
Yes, it's best to check the fund's exit load and tax treatment before redeeming. Also, it helps you to keep an emergency fund separate so you don't have to touch your long-term investments.
That's a good idea. Having a backup means I won't derail my goals.
Exactly. Investing is all about balance. Plan for the future, but stay prepared for the unexpected. An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.